Have you tried the best chicken inasal in the Philippines? If not, we have one here in Baguio. Dito lang yan sa Balay Inasal, which offers authentic Bacolod chicken inasal. They are located in number 5 Camia Street, Takay Road, Highcrest View Transient House, Baguio City. Pag nakita mo yung orange building, ayun na yun. May parking at located sila sa 3rd floor. Pagdating mo, gutom ka na. Malinis, maaliwalas, presko at ang ganda nga naman talaga ng view dito habang nakatambay or kumakain ka. Kitang-kita mo ang napakaraming kabahayan dito sa kabundukan ng Baguio. So we got first this quesadilla as appetizer, good amount of serving naman. Sa akin nakulangan sa toppings sa cheese pero sa kanila sakto lang daw.
Malasa yung meat.
Nainit pa.
Cheesy
Parang beef shawarma.
Parang beef shawarma.
Sarap pa. And yung dip.
Nothing special, regular dip lang siya.
Yung cheese agad. Masarap siya.
Next, itong chimichurri steak at festive platter na merong spiced ribs, chicken inasal, na meat steak, original spare ribs, kimchi, and scallion at inasal rice. In the festive platter, the scallion inasal rice are just typical rice, nothing special for us. The kimchi tastes okay, and now the real deal. Their chicken inasal tastes so authentic, nanonood yung lasa hanggang sa buto. Their spare ribs and the meat steak are also delicious and well-seasoned. Same with the chimichurri steak. Delicious and well-seasoned din, but sobrang kunat ng steak.
Favorite tong chicken. Super sarap, nanonood sa loob yung lasa. It's not, hindi siya plain na chicken, but the spices na ginamit na pang marinade dito, nanonood siya. So I love it. Yung mga food, I really like the chicken. It was seasoned well. I just don't like yung pagkaluto ng meat ng chimichurri steak kasi
A little bit chewy.
yes, it's not a little bit, but it's really chewy. Pero yung lahat ng meat na nasa festive platter, it's very delicious. Tender yung meat, but some of the meat na meat steak is may pagka-chewy din. But still, yung lasa nila, tsaka lasa ng chimichurri steak, kakaiba.
And their coffee, for my lakay, tastes okay. But for our Ma'am Shiglo,
Masarap siya. Para ding coffee ng Starbucks. Starbucks.
Latte ng Starbucks.
Overall, must try tong Balay Inasal. They serve great food and then Bacolod delicacy. Very nice ang view. Pwede kang tumambay dito, and you get rate overall ng, say, for me it's 8/10.
For me also, 8/10. And kung nakarating ka sa part na to ng video namin, please don't forget to like and follow for more.